Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great Friday. I am back with my Friday favorites and fails. So that is what I'm going to be sharing with you today. I do not have a lot, although I have been loving a ton of stuff this week. I haven't had any that stood out to me, like a whole lot that stood out to me and that I'm like, I need to share this. So I wanted to share the things that did stand out to me, and yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and get started. Like I said, I don't have a lot, so this should not be a super long video. But the first thing I want to share, the first thing I would like to share that has been a favorite for me this week is a drink from Sonic's. This is a strawberry limeade. The thing that I have been loving this month, which I am currently wearing on my face today, is the Forever Dior foundation. It looks like that. And I shared with you guys some time back that I got this in a Influenster box. This was the last time I think that I got anything full size from them. I mostly get everything sampled size or whatever. But yeah, so this is in the color One In, and it's a 24 wear high perfection skin caring foundation. It does have SPF 35, and when I initially got this, I wasn't sure it was going to work for me because it is a matte foundation, but it's not like a true matte foundation. I would say that it's more of like a matte foundation, but not with any kind of dryness to the skin. And I do notice, as long as I put on a hydrating primer before this, that my skin does absolutely fine with this foundation. It is one of the older foundations in my collection, so I have been trying to use it a lot, and I have used it a lot this week. Actually, I've been using this now for several weeks, here and there sporadically, but this week I've used it a lot more, and I have fallen in love with this foundation. It is a very nice foundation. I think that it lasts on the skin very, very long. It looks really good. I've been really happy with it. So I'm thankful that I got it in that box, and I got to try a Dior foundation that actually works for my skin. To me, is flawless. It is a full coverage. It can be built up more. I truly do enjoy it. So I would say if you are on the dry side, like slightly dry, you may like it because I'm dry. And if you are oily, I think you would like it as well. But if you're super dry, you may not like it. Okay, the next thing I've been loving this week is from ColourPop. Surprise, surprise. It seems like every week I have something from ColourPop. But it is one of my favorite brands, and I love their stuff. So I have to share this with you guys. This is the Velvet Blur lipstick in 21 questions. That is what the lipstick looks like. It has little stars. It's very cute. These retail for about $8, I believe. This is what the shade looks like. Do a little swatch for you guys. And that is what it looks like right there. So it's like I want to say like it's not a red for sure, but it's more like a brick color, I would say, like a matte finish, but it's not drying on the lips. It lasts, even when you eat or drink, a little bit will come off, but the overall color on the lips stays on. I absolutely love this. I used this in a recent video, my ColourPop indie brand Eye Look. If you haven't seen that video, I will put it up in the cards. And that is the one that I did with Nat and Beth here on YouTube. And I love this. So yeah, I absolutely have been loving this lipstick this week, and I'm going to be definitely picking up some more of those. I've been loving this week is the Kenya Ontiveros Beauty. This is a kit that I got in a BoxyCharm, and I have been trying to play in this, and I really do like this. I think that it's a really good palette. I'm glad that I did get it, and this is what it looks like. So obviously this one here is a bronzer, but it has a little bit of sheen, so this would be something great when, especially in the summertime, when you're wanting that like really nice glow on your face. This one I doubt that I would be able to use on my face. I don't contour very much, and this is extremely dark. I may try to use it like as a outer V color, or maybe in the crease or something like that. So that one's not going to get a ton of use. I wouldn't say that I could ever see myself panning that one or hitting pan on that one because it is very, very dark. But the highlight is what I have on my face today. It's so pretty. I know you can see it. And then the bronzer as well right here. I do have this on and I do like it as well. These powders are really nice and they are matte and they're really nice for setting the face. So I have truly been enjoying this. Really thankful that I have this. This is one of those things that is good for travel in my opinion, because it has everything you need. It has a face powder, it has the bronzer, the highlight. So I definitely have been enjoying this and really glad that I had gotten it in my box. And I can't recall what month it was. If I can recall and find it, I will definitely put it down below for you guys. But it's a really, really nice palette. And then the next item I've been enjoying this week is the ABH Glow Kit. This is in the color Sugar. I have pulled this week because I wanted to play in it some more because it doesn't get a whole lot of love. And these pans are ginormous. It is a magnetic palette, but let's just show you how that is. Look at that. That is like, compared to my hand, that's huge. So obviously I can take these out of this palette and I can actually put them in like another palette if I wanted to, a Z palette or whatever. But I absolutely love these highlighters. I'm going to show you some swatches since we don't have a lot of things. But this is the first one. This is Marshmallow right there. Look at how pretty that is. It's just so pretty. So that one's Marshmallow. And then the next one is Gumdrop. I love that I could take these out and definitely put them in another thing if I wanted to. This has more of like a pinky tone to it. That is what it looks like right there. That's that one right there on the top. And then the third one is Butterscotch. It's just like a golden shade. This one's really golden, but so pretty. And if I wanted to, I could even use these. It's right there on the top. I can definitely use these on the eyes. I think I may take them out of this and buy one of those like from Shop Miss A or something and put these in a Z palette because this is more like a pearl color one. It's right there on the bottom. Hopefully you guys can see them. I can't tell. Right there. But I definitely am going to consider taking them out and depotting them out of this. I mean, this is still a nice little travel friendly one, but they may do better in just a Z palette. But I love this. I've had this, excuse me, these are all the shades again. I really love it. And this week I was reminded I am going to set it aside again for next week because I want to be able to play more in some of the other shades. And I also wanted to mention this to you guys that I've been enjoying as well. I did a full face of Dollar Tree makeup recently. If you haven't seen that video, I will put it up in the cards. But this is the LA Colors Brow Pencil. I got it in the color medium. Right there. And I have really, really been enjoying this. It's kind of funny because I have my Tarte Big Eagle that I use on a daily basis, but I have really been grabbing this one and not that one because I really, really do enjoy it. And I did see at Dollar Tree that they're bringing these back. I have seen them so far at almost all of my Dollar Trees, honestly, in my area. The ones that I always go to. And now they have them in black, dark brown, auburn, and and light blonde, I believe, and the medium. So definitely be on the lookout at your Dollar Tree because I absolutely love this. I mean, for $1, look how big that pencil is. And I mean, it's pretty big and it's going to last quite a while. And for $1, I think that it's a great product. It's not too creamy, but it's not too drying. It just goes on the brows so, so nicely. So yeah, definitely check out your local Dollar Trees because I have truly, truly been loving that. And glad that I found that. That was like a big find for me. I have one fail this week, and I wouldn't say it's a completely like a fail altogether, but it's a fail underneath my eyes. So I have gotten this Josie Marin Argan Creamy Concealer Crown in Fair 1. This was a gift that was given to me from Jennifer, who's also known as Amethyst Winters here on YouTube. And I think she gave me this for my birthday. But I have been using this and I'm trying it. It's very nice, very creamy. This is what it looks like. It's just a crayon concealer. I love the creaminess of it. It is really, really nice. However, I have really dry under eyes, so I thought that this would work on my under eyes. And it does not. Before I could even finish my makeup, it was just breaking up under my eyes so bad. And then putting the powder on top, it was a hot, hot mess. So yeah, this is my fail for this week, and not so much for the face because I'm going to continue using it on the face. And what I have used on the face, I do really, really like. It's really creamy. It covers really nicely, and it looks really good on the skin. Just under the eyes did not work for me. I don't know if maybe it's just not hydrating enough, and maybe my under eyes were just super dry, and then the powder mixture that I used maybe did not work. But yeah, this was a fail for under the eyes for me. But I am really enjoying it everywhere else. So I wanted to let you guys know of that. So last but not least, I am loving my little background. I did kind of change it up again a little bit. But I just wanted to share with you guys real quick where I got some of the stuff because in case I get any questions about it, or, you know, just letting you guys know that you guys can definitely get all of this as well. So that's another thing I've been loving this week. I've been going to so many Dollar Trees. I will have a big, huge Dollar Tree haul coming up here very, very soon with lots of new makeup finds, home decor finds, and all of that. So stay tuned for that. I have been loving just going and enjoying more, just looking at my local Dollar Trees and seeing what's new, what's not new, and, you know, all of that. So, real quick, back to this. So, this here I got at the Dollar Tree. It was just a little gift box, but it does have a little handle, and it just says, "In all things, give thanks." I got that at the Dollar Tree. I got all of these flowers at the Dollar Tree, of course, and I just put them in here. This garland of leaves, both here and up there, were from the Dollar Tree. It was one garland, so one each. And then the lights are little owls. And these are also from the Dollar Tree. I just picked up 2 of those. Just trying to pull it a little bit. And then these little pumpkins here, they are glass pumpkins. I found those at Target. They were $1 a piece. This I've had for some time, you guys know. That's from the Dollar Tree. This sign is from the Dollar Tree. These are my 2 Anastasia boxes, which are not from the Dollar Tree. But I will tell you, this little figurine here that looks like a Paris statue, that is from the Dollar Tree as well. I found this at the Dollar Tree in the clearance section because it's kind of damaged in the back. But I figured to put right here, it should be okay. Just says blessed and thankful. And then these 2 here, little pumpkins, are glass. And I'll just share with you the decor just in case you're curious or want to know, or you want to look for them yourself. I wanted to just kind of include that in this video today. So that is everything that I've been loving this week, and the one fail. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what you've been enjoying this week, or what you haven't been enjoying. Maybe if you have a fail as well, let me know that down in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys and hear your thoughts as well. This is going to complete this video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.